can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and to hype. It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. 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 My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and to hype. It feels good when you know you're down.
Point five, do what I should like. Point five, do what I could like. Point five, do what I should like. Point five, do what I could like. Point five, do what I should like. Point five, do what I could like. Point five, do what I should like. Point five, do what I could.
I ain't never been the same, baby. Ain't do no wrong. I can be the good for you. No, I know right from wrong. 'Cause I wanna make it. So nasty. I'm $1 million baby. Don't let me. Oh hell no. You rip my city so damn long. Just still don't know the speed. Sour next. Or VA next. Methane next. I'm running up the check. See a black woman, I'ma see a diva. No matter what happens, he cannot come between us again. I know we're better than friends. I took the Queen's Gambit, showed around my friends. Try to fix some energy, yeah, it don't matter. I know you never move on. If you try, I don't believe it, baby. I know.
I'm gonna do a max volume, max bass test for this little speaker. The volume's up all the way on the phone, the volume's all the way up on the speaker. I got it hooked up via Bluetooth with my Anchor SoundSync A352 wireless receiver. It works really well. So I got Feel the Bass basically pulled up on my old phone. Yeah, it distorts like crazy. But at low volumes, it's not that bad.
Feels up, feels up. Feels up, feels up.
I can smell it, but I don't think that's the woofer, the mid woofer. I think it gets pretty warm. Does get pretty loud. It just distorts like high volumes. It's not a very clean speaker. Most speakers do that though, just to let you know. My fucking extender is like acting like shit. I threw it back in July. I hate that extender. I'm gonna pause. My bad for lashing out because this Wi-Fi is indeed very shitty up here. The router downstairs is very good though. It just doesn't reach that far. I love my AT&T fiber Wi-Fi. It's very, very, very fast. Much better than shitty Spectrum. So I got a piece of paper. I'm gonna put it in front of the speaker to see how much bass it puts out. Just that Humming's D amplifier. This is not even up all the way. Turn it up. Not bad at all. The bass is fine for this little speaker. It's not the best. It's not like a subwoofer, but it's pretty good for a small speaker. If you're playing like general music, it's not gonna sound like shit. It's just when you play like bass through it, it's not meant for that. Just like the computer speaker that I tested back in like September of last year, the Trust speakers, they distorted at max volume, like just like this. The amplifier just distorts just as bad as the other speakers. At least it's not as bad as this. This one distorts way more. This is the AM135 Plus. It sounds very bad at max volume. This wasn't as near as bad. So the older ones are a lot better. Just buy the older ones if you want to hear a good sound. The sound quality is not that bad on here. Like, trust me. Okay, got the mid-woofer out. Look at the inside. This one's actually built a lot better. It has a crossover networking going on in there. This fucking thing doesn't have it. Look, Anchor just gotten worse these years. This does not have like a true crossover networking. Well, the tweeter might have, definitely has a capacitor. It's just not like this. This one's like a lot better. It has a replaceable crossover network going on there. The only thing I hate about this thing, it just doesn't have adjustable bass. It's not like the biggest deal though in travel auctions. So here's free air. This is a 75% volume. Actually, I accidentally blew the speaker apart. The surround link came off, but that's fixable. I can glue it back on. I'm not going to destroy this thing. It still sounds good. I just don't know why I did that. Probably because I was pushing it a little bit too hard. I'll fix that though. It's not blown or anything. This is why you don't like crank things up too loud. Well, the speaker's very old, but I'm still going to keep this mid-woofer. It's not bad. it's not blown or anything. It just the surrounds are coming loose. I can fix that easily. It just needs glue. That's it. So I'm gonna pause and put this back together. Here's what the part number looks like. It's 498055000. That's the part number, and the serial number is 2011-051 345. So this might be made in 2011 or something. That's pretty old though. Older than like most of the stuff I have in here though. Well, it's not the oldest thing I have a lot older things. That's including HID lights. This is a very nice midwoofer though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, sometimes the glue comes apart and stuff. That happened to my Vizia subwoofer. I don't think it's like actually blown. Manufacturer should probably like glue it really well and test it. It's not all coming apart though, so I'm gonna keep this as is for now. And I'm gonna eventually get glue. So yeah, I'm gonna pause. Yeah, the speaker's okay. I don't always use glue. It was just a little unfortunate. I thought it's an easy fix. For now, I'm just gonna play some more music through it. My phone's getting warm though.
We gotta get to a higher place and we gotta leave by night. Before that river takes us down, we gotta find somewhere that's dry. We gotta run like we've never run, or we're gonna lose the light. If we don't get to a higher place and find somebody who can help somebody, might be nobody no more. Well, for myself, and I don't know why I thought we could ride this out. I was up all night making up my mind, but now I've got my doubts. I got my eye on the waterline. Let me run with you tonight. I'll take you on a moonlight ride. There's someone I used to see, but she don't give a damn for me. But let me get to the point. Let's roll another joint and turn the radio loud. I'm too alone to be proud, and you don't know how it feels. You don't know how it feels to be me. People come, people go. Some grow young, some then she go, then she leaves for me. Says she leaves for motivation. Oh, motivation. She comes round and she goes down on me. And I make you smile like a drug for you. Do it like a freak show takes the stage. We give in the game she plays. She say, I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life. Baby, baby, I want something.
Oh, you cute me. Take a look at yourself. Oh, you cute me. Take a look at yourself. You say I've been buying other women clothes, but you've been talking to someone else. I call your mama out 3 or 4 nights ago. I call your mama out 3 or 4 nights ago. Your mama says, son, don't call my daughter no more. Before you kill me, take a look at yourself.
Wake up to a brand new day. Early in the morning, rising to the street. Light me up that cigarette and I'll strap shoes on my feet. Got to find the reason things went wrong. Got to find the reason why my money's all gone. I got a Dalmatian, I could still get high. I can play the guitar like a motherfucking riot.
Well, life is so love the one you got, 'cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never start no static, I just get it off my chest. Never had to battle with no bulletproof vest. Take a small example, take a did it from me. Take all of your money, give it all to charity. Life is what I got, it's within my reach, and the sun.
Actually didn't sound bad at all when I had the volume up. Really, like, past, like, 75%. That was, like, 75% on my phone.